Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Monday, October 10th, and it is time for the market overview, looking at the Dow, SPX, VIX, TNA, UUP, FXE, GLD, and SLV. Okay, huge update for the Dow. I mean, just absolutely incredible, especially the close. Um, and that's fine. That's absolutely fine. We did clear the uh, shadows from the previous peak and are going up to challenge the peak before that. We did close above the upper price consensus level, very bullish. We can see that on the daily, we still have the 14-day RSI moving average pointing down, and the stochastics getting right on up there. Uptick on the histogram, uptick on the RSI, uptick on CCI, very high, and just amazing. Now, I am not taking this yet at face value, simply because we have all kinds of divergence. We have divergence in the MACD on the 15-minute. We have divergence in the stochastics, divergence in the CCI, although that may be broken soon. And 30-minute, we have divergence in the CCI, divergence in the stochastics, fast stochastic, not slow, divergence in the RSI, divergence in the MACD histogram. 60-minute, we have divergence in the MACD histogram and in the RSI, actually less in the RSI. Oh no, it is above that. Never mind. Complete in the RSI. So, I don't think that this is nearly as strong as it seems to be. Or at least that it is going to the moon all in one go. Likewise, 15-minute. We have the RSI 14-day moving average pointing down. Yes, the stochastic is going up to meet it, so there could be a little bit more. 30-minute. We actually do have an uptick at the end of the day on the 14-day RSI moving average, but slow stochastic very high, fast going up to meet it. It'd be fine if it gets up high again and then rolls over. And 60-minute RSI and the stochastics very high, waiting for those to turn over. In the 180, the stochastics are very high, although we do have the 14-day RSI moving average moving up to meet them. So, very interesting. SPX more of the same. Nice big giant green bar. Fast stochastic getting high. Slow stochastic getting up there. 14-day RSI moving average still pointing down. And all the divergences are still in play. We even have it on the daily in the MACD histogram, in the RSI, in the nope, not the stochastic anymore, and not in the, well, CCI is very, very minor. I wouldn't even look at that. So, very interesting. Now, the bond market was closed today, so we had all that money running into equities, and tomorrow when the bond market reopens, I guess we'll see what happens. Beyond that, from a guppy perspective, we do not have complete crossover and separation before entering the bar. That is a warning sign to me. That is in the SPX, and it is in the Dow. So I don't expect the short-term moving averages to break all the way through the bar. Maybe it'll get a little bit of penetration. Actually, it already has some, but it'll take a major move to do that, and well, the odds don't like that, but I guess odds can be broken. We shall see. The VIX. Okay. We are entering the bar. We do not have complete crossover and separation. We are below the lower price consensus level, big ugly red bar. And 14-day RSI moving average still ticking up. Look at the stochastics. Both the fast and the slow are now oversold. So looking for a flip right there. And look at the CCI also very low. RSI just barely getting to neutral. And yeah, I'm not totally buying this yet, but certainly I could be wrong. Going on to TNA. Nice day, got up to 38.5 almost, got above the lower price consensus level, still above the lower price consensus level, still below the major price consensus level, and didn't quite make it to the major price consensus level for the previous month. Fast stochastic getting high, slow stochastic above the 14-day, and it is still pointing down, and just like everything else pointing up, but still very nice. We have divergence on the daily with the MACD histogram, and we are not even at the bar yet. So UUP, star of the show, belle of the ball. Aha. We were saying that we were expecting it to reach the major price consensus level at some point, and wouldn't you know it, that day was today. We got a hammer. It did kiss it. It backed off of it, and we are having a cross on the middle Bollinger Band, getting above it. But this is good. This is getting this out of the way. We have been saying that the 14-day RSI moving average curling over is would be very good for equities, and certainly we got that curl today in a very strong way. Stochastic, fast stochastic getting oversold. Slow stochastic right behind it. Has plenty of room to move, but RSI not yet at the 50. Downtick on the MACD, and that divergence we've been talking about in the histogram seems to be playing out now. CCI very low, and so this is good. A bar retest, we said that it would be, it is natural and needed, so it would appear that we are now fulfilling that requirement today. FXE, inverse hammer, did not close above the major price consensus level. It is above the lower price consensus level, and fast stochastic getting overbought, and everything looking just like UUP but inverse. So this is fine. This is absolutely fine. And what am I missing? Gold. The dollar goes down and gold goes up. That sounds about right to me. 14-day RSI moving average still pointing down. Stochastics on the way up, along with the CCI, RSI, histogram, and MACD. No problem. This is our second VIX, but for today, the dollar is trumping, which is more than fine. And SLV, little doji star, spinning top looking formation. Stochastic, fast stochastic getting high. 14-day RSI moving average low, very low, and everything else ticking up. So that's it. It's kind of short and sweet tonight. Got to see what tomorrow brings, but I'm very interested in seeing what the backswing is going to look like, or if there's going to be follow through, and we'll know here in one day. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video are for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.